How to replace a 3-prongs power cord with a 4-prongs power cord. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the terminal block cover plate. Loosen these screws. Remove these screws. And remove the old power cord. Remove this screw from the ground wire. Insulate the ground wire with electrical tape and put it out of the way. Put the wires of the new cord through the cord clamp. Tighten the screws on the cord clamp. Connect the red wire to the right side of the terminal block. Connect the white wire to the middle of the terminal block. Connect the black wire to the left side of the terminal block. Connect the green ground wire to the cabinet and install the terminal block cover plate.